I've always been fascinated by how our diet affects our brain function. And let me tell you, it's not just about feeling full or satisfied, it's about giving our brains the fuel they need to function at their best. Today we're gonna dive into the world of brain nutrition and explore how the food we eat can literally shape our thoughts, memories, and cognitive abilities. Ready? Let's go! Let's start with the basics. Your brain is like a super complex computer, but instead of silicon chips, it's made up of billions of neurons connected by trillions of synapses. These neurons are constantly firing, sending electrical and chemical signals that control everything from your breathing to your ability to binge watch your favorite show. But here's the kicker. All this incredible activity requires a ton of energy and nutrients. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what does this have to do with my lunch? Well, everything. Your brain is incredibly picky about its fuel. It needs a steady supply of glucose, oxygen, and a whole bunch of other nutrients to keep those neurons firing properly. And guess where all that good stuff comes from? Yep, you guessed it, the food you eat. So what exactly does your brain crave? Let's talk about some brain superfoods. First up, omega-3 fatty acids. These little guys are like brain gold. They help build and repair brain cells, and they're super important for learning and memory. Next on our hit list are amino acids. These are, the building blocks of proteins, and they're crucial for making neurotransmitters, the chemicals that help your neurons communicate. But wait, there's more. Your brain is also a big fan of antioxidants and micronutrients. These help protect your brain from oxidative stress and keep everything running smoothly. Think colorful fruits and veggies, dark chocolate, yes really, and green tea. And let's not forget about B vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc. These are like the maintenance crew for your brain, keeping everything in tip-top shape. Now, let's talk about your brain's favorite fuel, glucose. Your brain is an energy hog, using about 20% of your body's total energy, and it gets most of that energy from carbohydrates. But not all carbs are created equal when it comes to brain function. Simple carbs, like those in sugary snacks, can give you a quick energy boost, but they'll leave you crashing faster than, a college student during finals week. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are like time-release capsules of energy for your brain. They're found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. These carbs have a lower glycemic index, which means they release glucose into your bloodstream more slowly and steadily. This helps keep your energy levels stable and your brain functioning at its best throughout the day. So next time you're reaching for a snack to fuel a study session, think whole grain toast instead of a candy bar. So what does all this mean for your daily diet? It's about balance and variety. A brain-healthy diet includes lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Think Mediterranean diet, but with a brain-boosting twist. And don't forget about staying hydrated. Your brain is about 75% water, so even mild dehydration can affect your cognitive function. The right diet can improve your memory, increase your focus, boost your mood, and even help protect against age-related cognitive decline. So next time you're planning your meals, remember, you're not just feeding your stomach, you're feeding that amazing supercomputer in your skull. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour through the fascinating world of brain nutrition. Remember, every bite you take is an opportunity to nourish your neurons and boost your brain power. So make those food choices count. Your future self and your brilliant brain will thank you. Now if you'll excuse me, I'm off to make myself a brain-boosting smoothie. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and keep feeding that beautiful brain of yours.